Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the broskies. Today we're gonna be working on baby's 370Z. We're gonna be installing a full PBM angle kit on his car. I have my 350Z on the trailer, and then I have a motor that I gotta deliver to some dude's house near Adams Track. So we're gonna be going to Adams Track later today. That's why I have my car loaded up. Do you guys remember when I crashed my 350Z at Adams Track? When I went off the track and I broke my wheel and then I broke my camber arms, remember?
Hey, is the arm fucked up too?
Yeah, it's done.
Oh yeah, it's done, dude. Look at that.
That's why it's on the floor on this side.
Look at the rims. Oh, fucking broken.
Check it out, broskies. We just got here to drop off baby's 370. And this fool fucking came through with new arms. Check it out. Sick ass fool. So I'm gonna get it fixed right now so I can unload it at the house. Baby came through with his Voodoo camber arms. Well, I got them back. Shout out to USPL for getting these parts for me, and I can finally give baby his parts back. All right, guys. Before we go into the shop, so last week we painted baby's 370Z. Remember, it was all fucked up when we got it. It was crashed. We fixed it, and now I'm gonna show you guys the new color. And I really want your guys' opinion because I might do my car this same color. So check it out. Chingon. You see that shit? What's the name of the colorway? What's the name of the color? It's like a battleship gray, okay, with some gold flakes. Then chingon. Yeah, way. Got your back. So what do you guys think of the new color? Let me know down in the comments if I should do my car the same or what. I think it looks cool. Better than red. I don't like red. Alright, guys, check out the fucking sick ass angle kit. Hey, wey, can I ask you a question, wey, for the broskies? ¿Por qué, wey, compraste PBM and not Wisefab, wey?
Porque no soy puto, güey.
Fuck, this fucking kit was fucking expensive. Aquí mi compa tiene billete. Check that shit out. Check out all that fucking angle. And then with this kit, you can't run the stock brake caliper, so you have to go with the Akebono. Look at all that shit. So beautiful, way. I just finished installing the PBM kit. Check it out. It's fucking sexy. Fuck. Hey, what's up, broskies? It's the next day. Beautiful Sunday, by the way. There's no sun, so it's gonna be a fucking fresh ass day. I'm excited because we're gonna finish baby's car today. Yesterday we couldn't finish it because one, it was fucking hot. Number two, we needed the Bonjo bolts for the calipers, which we're gonna go get right now at Napa. We're just gonna wait till they open. Oh, and I brought some tools. We're gonna finish cutting the stock body for the Crown Carbon wide body kit. So we're gonna do that and then do a simple alignment so we can test out the car, test out the angle and all that shit.
Stay in the middle lane.
I'm like 15 minutes away from baby shop, so I'll see you guys over there. And here, Napa Auto Parts. Alright broskies, we have the passenger side front fender cut, and then we're gonna raise the car because the whole car is literally sitting on the fucking front fender. Check it out. Chis mamadas. We're gonna cut like right here. Bam, 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 bam. ¿Qué pedo, güey? Se chorreó aquí. A ver. Perfect. Perfect, bro. Check fucking baby out. Ay, güey. Las pendejadas que anda haciendo el güey. This fool. He left the fucking. This is the what, passenger side, and then the other one's the driver side. Look at the nipples over here on the bottom. The nipple's supposed to be on the top.
There's
¿Ya andas pedo, verdad, güey?
Salió, güey. Chiquis Philly, you told me they went like that, right?
No, güey.
No trabaja doble, güey.
A ver, güey, so what are you doing?
Arreglando tus mamadas, güey.
What does this shit do, Christian? What does this shit do?
taking all the air out. It's a little vacuum pump. Makes it faster, it bleeds brakes.
It doesn't need any oil?
No, good wash. I filled it up right now.
So how do you know when it's good?
When it's
Cuando salga solid. No bubbles?
No, you're still gonna get bubbles, but after he does this, we still gotta bleed it by foot.
It'll be easier?
Yeah, it'll
How
be
do we know
easier.
that it's done there?
Just fill that up, because I'm telling you, these are a pain in the ass to bleed out. So once that gets filled up, then we'll do the inside, and then once we do both sides, then we'll bleed it by foot. That's when you really know all the air's out. I don't know who that is. Mine's the one right there. And
Alright, I think we're done with the car.
Yo todas las veces siempre la quito
We
todo.
gave it a eyeballed alignment. And we're just gonna lower it and then we're gonna test it out. A ver si es cierto, güey. We have to test it out.
Hey, we have grippy tires in the back.
Güey, si no puedes, güey, just let me know, güey. Le decimos a Christian, güey, que lo maneje.
hey, wait, what? Wait, what?
If you can't handle those grippy tires, güey,
Let me know, way.
let Christian know, güey.
Let me know, way.
He's got you, güey.
I'll show you what your car can
¿Quién
do.
anda? Christian anda con mamadas, güey, como tú, güey.
I'll show you what your car can do, way.
Damn,
Wait,
güey.
I'm playing.
Damn, güey. Damn. Damn.
At the angle the sun is hitting your hair, your hair, way?
Hey, wait, leave my head out of this, man. I've been like this for 2 years and I'm still trying to get used to it.
No mames, que ese taco es por 5, güey. ¿Te has visto?
Yeah, you.
Before the YouTube channel was born.
Yeah, wait, but you made me when I had hair.
No,
I don't have hair right now.
Chis mamadas, güey.
Hey, wait. It's not having hair, wait.
Dale, güey.
Cheaper. Este era for you to try it, though.
Dale, güey. ¿Sí? A ver. ¡Ay, güey! It's got angle. Damn. A ver, una pinche donita, güey, ¿qué pedo? Something's hitting?
The upper arm is hitting on the frame.
Yeah, pues sí, güey. Probably this side nomás, no, because I think I banged it on this side.
No, it's this side.
It's this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this side.
It's
I
this
can hear
side.
it. I just found out.
This side, this side's hitting.
Just dale, güey, ahorita se pega como
Yeah.
está delgado el metal, güey.
Yeah.
Dale, güey. Pinches bonitas, güey. ¿Qué pedo? Seas culo.
Te toman el carro ya después.
Dale, güey, no seas culo.
Si no te doy la IS, güey.
Oh. How does the alignment feel? Like shit?
That's okay.
It's okay, ¿verdad?
Well, I mean, it's still off, but they're both in the same, so it'll go straight.
I kind of feel like something's loose on this side too.
Well, besides this arm, you see right here?
Yeah.
Besides this arm,
That's
anything's
what's hitting?
hitting? Yeah, that's what's bumping it, but
Yeah.
once it bumps it, well, hopefully it bumps it enough, it'll
it's
stop it.
clear.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Alright, so Christian's gonna fucking hit it. A ver si es cierto. Seas culo, pinche Chris.
Ah, fuck that. Not my car!
That camber's perfect, way.
Perfect, no?
Yeah. Not too much.
It needs to get a little more up.
A little bit up, yeah.
Something's loose, right?
So now Philly's gonna go give it a try?
My turn to turn it.
Oh, whoa, whoa! What happened? Oh, he's running over the stuff.
Ahí quedó, güey. It feels good, way.
Was that good enough for you? Okay.
Yeah, that shit was good.
Just the alignment, okay?
Just the alignment, way.
That's it, huh?
It feels good, though. Solid, way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Esto los cuadros de sangre, güey.
I think you need PBM for it,
Hey, what do you have right now, way?
Stands, way.
Those shits are
way.
garbage, way. Get some PBM.
No, they're pretty cool right now.
Get some PBM and just throw those away and let me know where you throw them away.
BC. BC.
So I
Way
can
to
put
go.
them on my car, way. Alright, broskis. The car is pretty good. Next, sometime during the week, baby's gonna get the wheels for the car. And then probably on the weekend, we're gonna go take it to Chillworks to get it aligned. And then ready for the track. So.
I'm not about ready for the track, but it'll be ready.
Sos culero, wey. But yeah, that car's looking good. Still looks like shit.
It's still looking really good, though.
Yeah. Let's pull out the cars, no? Y luego ya nos.
We gotta put my side?
Yeah, let's pull out the cars. I'm glad we're fucking finally done with the car. That shit was a long weekend. We're gonna park the cars outside and then we're gonna go get some food. And I'll take you guys with me. Fuck it.
Si no puedes ir tú, güey, voy yo. ¿Ah? Si no puedes ir tú, voy yo.
I look like shit on your camera.
Neta, güey, neta, that's how I've been trying to tell you.
That's how you look, güey.
Espérate. That's how I've been trying to tell
That's
you.
exactly how you look, bro.
A ver.
¿Sí? Espérate.
Chico es más chupa, güey.
Ya, Chris.
I'm good.
Ya, güey. ¿Andas pedo o no?
Ah, mi amigo Cristian, mi amiguita, güey.
¿Por qué?
Mira, la tristeza que. Mira, no vas. Ah, está cabrón.
His face is sad, ¿verdad, güey?
Sí, güey.
¿Por qué sufres, güey? No sufras, güey. Aquí estoy. Aquí está papi. Dile, güey, que aquí está papi, güey.
Aquí estoy yo.
I'm
güey.
good. I'm good. You want another 24 or what?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, fuck that. I still gotta drive an hour home.
Che, Cristian, cool.
Güey. Su pinche madre, yo ando pedo, güey. Ya.
I still gotta drive an hour home.
My bad.
Oh, they think about you. From my body when the time it comes through.